sneakers often goes beyond limited releases, samples, player exclusives, and one-of-a-kind creations fuel an underground market of dedicated collectors. A standout example is a whiteout alternate version of Ethan Ellis' 2019 Doernbecher Air Jordan 14, recently unveiled by sneaker collector at @ielectric_. This unique pair replaces the original's bold colors with a white-based design while preserving deeply personal details. Embossed water droplets on the toe nod to Ellis' rainy hometown of Vancouver, Washington. The laces highlight names of hospitals involved in his care, including Seattle Children's Hospital, referenced by a Space Needle graphic on the heel. The number 6 pays tribute to the 6 open-heart surgeries Ellis underwent, while a scaly quarter panel honors his favorite team, the TCU Horned Frogs. Labeled one of two, only one pair was made available to the public through the Doernbecher charity auction. The second was gifted to Ellis himself.